identified one site in our India for fast track analysis, and we have identified the strengths and because some team require modeling expertise, some team have expertise in modeling, and another climate. So we will have the strengths and weaknesses in different disciplines and different teams. And we have revised the work plan and timelines according to our discussions. And this is for integrated assessment of fast track analysis. And we have selected one crop model for one side. That's wheat, absinthe for trade-off analysis. The person in charge, I will be doing the overall, but with the help of a team members consisting of agronomists, economists, and computer persons, soil scientists, etc. Then timeline, we will crop modeling. We are putting 2013 February, and we trade-off analysis May to then modifying to February 28. This is our site. You see, this is the Meerut site. It has around 3.4 million population with 2.5 thousand square kilometer. Its coordinates are, it has mainly the cropping system is rice wheat cropping system in our area. And this will be again, it will be changed to this. Other activities, additional sites, we will be doing additional sites also, one in Nepal, one in Bangladesh, and 2 more sites in India. It will be completed by July 2013. And another is second South Asia workshop. We will present the preliminary research in that workshop. And another is we will be conducting or organizing stakeholders workshop meeting in all the countries during this period. And we will come out with some documentation in this aspect. And the fourth AGMAP global workshop, in that workshop we will be presenting some of the important results coming out from the project. And we will, actually we have followed your timelines mentioned in this document and final report and all others. It's the timelines we have mentioned, and here we have mentioned stakeholders workshop. In each country we will be organizing during June workshops. We have modified this from your, and also boot camp workshop. We are planning to organize this in April in Nepal as well as in India. Then timelines site-wise. These are for fast track analysis. These are the timelines. We will modify the these timelines, and these are the different sites timelines we have mentioned. Finally, we will complete all the analysis November 2013. We are planning to complete. These are the crop genetic metrics. Actually, in the fast track side, we have selected 2 varieties. In these varieties, we have the genetic coefficients for these 2 varieties. And for Northwest India, they have also this available genetic coefficients. For Northeast India, they have selected only rice, and for Bangladesh, they have also the genetic coefficients available. For Nepal, only the rice variety, this Radha 4, they have the genetic coefficients, but Gautam, they have no genetic coefficients available. We will help them to estimate the genetic coefficients for that. And summary of outstanding team needs. We have no, I think in our group, they have no conceptual issues. We have already discussed all with our team members from respective climate, crop modeling, as well as IT, economic team leaders, and data issues, climatic data. We have the data sets, climate data available for all the sites, but farmers will. We have to look into the availability of data sets. In some stations, they have the rainfall data, rain gauge stations they have. But we have to check with the district administration how many data sets are available. And then we will go back to Alex for determination, for estimating the other parameters. And soil data, it is available for station, but for the district as a whole, we will depend on the maps or the, as far as India is concerned, we have the NBSS LUP, National Bureau of Soil Science and the soil survey of mapping. They have the data set. We will contact them for getting the data set. And procedure issues, I think most of the issues, we have no other issues. And capacity building, as far as our team is concerned, they need, actually we have selected AppSim, Infocrop and DSAT for comparison. Here we need some training for DSAT and some people need training for AppSim, but Infocrop all need. And TOA and MD analysis also. Then management issues. Actually in that discussion, we need some expert for economic modeling. We have some discussion with the management of AGMIP. We have to hire or we have to collaborate with some persons, experts. In that, how funds will flow. That is a problem. That's an issue. Then communication. We will organize this stakeholders meet during June. Then communication with, we will be communicating with our team members as well as the AGMAP team management in each month through Skype call or some email interactions. That email group, we will be forming an email group, IGP forum. Then another is already mentioned in your work, AGMAP management work plan also. This AGMAP resource person will visit our team sites at least 7 times per year, or 7 times to all the projects. Publication. Other outputs. Then these are the scientific and policy briefs to stakeholders will be published after fast track analysis. And we will identify some of the areas for publication in peer-reviewed journals after fast track. That is in July, we will identify some of the areas. And to communicate the research to the stakeholders in the form of research bulletins as well as policy briefs, research articles we will be publishing after the completion of the project. Then outreach to stakeholders. Actually, the main stakeholder is farmers, then policymakers, researchers, as well as extension workers. And we already I have discussed the workshops or meetings we will be conducting, and we will document all these stakeholder discussion, consultations, and responsible for each this activity is PA of each country. They will be the responsible persons for this activity. And this is point to contact for AGMAP teams. And climate and crop modeling is concerned, I am looking after. Then economics, Dr. Habir Singh will be there. And for IT, Dr. Muhammad Abin Hussain Chowdhury from Bangladesh, he will be looking after the IT aspect. Thank you.